Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The Commowner 3800 PSI electric pressure washer. If you're in the market for a high-power pressure washer with a foam cannon, you're in the right place. This incredible machine is a game-changer for all your cleaning needs. It's perfect for car washing, fence cleaning, and patio maintenance. But why is it the best? Stick around, and we'll tell you everything you need to know. Let's dive right into the features that make the Commowner 3800 PSI electric pressure washer stand out from the competition. First up, we have the adjustable pressure nozzle. This nozzle allows you to switch water sprays effortlessly, giving you complete control over the pressure you need for different tasks. Not to mention, it comes with a removable detergent tank. You can fill it with your preferred detergent to boost cleaning power, making those tough stains a thing of the past. Safety is a top priority with the Commowner pressure washer. It's equipped with a safety automatic total stop system that conserves energy and extends the pump's lifespan by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is disengaged. The high-pressure hoses on this machine are a real game-changer. They've been rigorously tested for durability, with zero signs of wear and tear after 100,000 tests. Worried about accidental tipping during use? The Commowner pressure washer strategically concentrates its weight at the base, ensuring it stands tall and providing an optimized user experience. Assembling this pressure washer is a breeze, taking just 3 simple steps. Say goodbye to product leakage and hello to a hassle-free experience. Now, here's the icing on the cake. This product has achieved impressive sales of 20,000 units this year, making it the preferred choice for over 30 million individuals. With Commowner, you're choosing reliability and high quality. In summary, the Commowner 3800 PSI electric pressure washer is the best pressure washer with a foam cannon available in the market. With its adjustable nozzle, safety features, and impressive durability, it's the perfect choice for all your cleaning needs. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Click the link in the description to get your very own Commowner pressure washer today. And remember, if you have any questions or issues, their customer support is just an email away at support@electricpressurewasher.online. That's it for today's review, folks. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning. This is Product Critique, signing off. If you have any products you'd like us to review, feel free to reach out to us on our social media or through email. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and have a great day.